Well, usually our purchasing process, especially for bigger equipment for CNC machines, is a long process, drawn-out process. Typically involves getting budgetary quotes, bringing the suppliers into our shop to talk about their products, and then putting a comparison sheet together. And the show allows us to specifically go to the suppliers and see their product here on the floor, be able to get demonstrations, talk to their service team, to their applications engineers, to see what they actually have to offer. And then it also allows us to get the entire team out here easier, because they not only have the opportunity to look at their specific product that we may be purchasing, but also other products out there, other processes that we could use. So it fits in well, especially when we have a project that we can come here and see 3 different suppliers, see their different equipment and how they compare, right on one day. It gets us the fresh perspective all at once. Our team always makes it a point, and me personally, makes it a point to get out there and browse all the different vendors, and even if it is anything from maintenance supplies to information technology, we like to see what's out there in the complete realm, because there could be something our company is missing out on. Coming to the show is a little bit more relaxed. It's a good opportunity for us to browse at our own leisure and spend as much time as we want with any of the suppliers.